Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada, back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Today, I just wanted to greet every laborers out there, especially the caregivers, both professionals, and especially the ones who has been brought into the situation, the dear family members and loved ones caring for people who are older adults and especially those living with conditions like dementia.
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
I just wanted to share how, despite how challenging things may get and what comes to my hands that may seem very difficult to do, but somehow able to do, how I'm able to do it. So maybe I'll just share a few things. So firstly, it's always maintaining that rapport with your co-workers, making sure you share the load. It's never a one-man show. Make sure you know in yourself that you're not alone and that you highlight on that willingness to share the load amongst the team members, amongst the healthcare professionals, because no one is an island. And then I also learned through the years that because we are all in this for the long haul, right? Sometimes or oftentimes it's better to be kind than to be right, because you want to nurture that, again, going back to the therapeutic rapport that you have, because you will need that for the long haul towards hopefully a common goal, which is ultimately taking care of your loved one, your residents, your patients. And allow me to take things further, like higher a little bit for today, celebrating the laborers. For me personally, especially when I was a rookie nurse, what carried me through was prayer. I always said a little prayer, especially before my shift. I remembered how hard I was praying, especially in the beginning. Of course, we are all sinners, but we are all in this together, and we can hold on to His divine love and mercy. And that's what I've been holding on to up to now, especially when faced with difficult situations, because one of the common prayer I would say is for Him to bridge whatever is I will be lacking in the task in my hand. And through the years, I've been blessed and privileged to be able to do what I'm doing, the role that I'm doing, because of those things that I'm sharing with you. And I hope it will be helpful for you as well. Take care. This is a start of a new month. Every day is a new day. Remember, do not self-diagnose. Just similar to how we are taking care of the older adults, same thing applies to us as caregivers. Take care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. Take care and see you again next time.